Welcome back to CrossTactics. Hope everyone is doing fantastic. Here we've got the Steambow Stinger Tactical and we've got the CrossTactics Rapid Fire. So I'm just going to show you the differences between loading them. Let's start with the CrossTactics Rapid Fire system. So the magazine is the Rapid Fire magazine. The platform itself is the Alligator, OP360, Shredder. There's all kinds of names for them. The model is the TCS2. Okay, so the way you load this guy up is one by one. You load them like that. So from the back goes in first, and then the tip drops down. Back goes in first, tip drops down, back first, tip drops down, and so on. Okay. There you go, she's loaded up, ready to cock and shoot. So you can see that the top is open and you have this hinge system here that's pushing the bolts down. Okay, so let's move on to the Stinger. So the Stinger, you can see, has got a lid, opens and closes, right? And then you load the bolts in from the front, so that the tip goes in first and then the back, and that's how you put each one in, one by one. I'm not as used to loading this one up as I am with the other one. Sometimes the lid falls closed while I'm busy. I'm getting better with it. So that's how it works. I've got 5 in here. They say it can take 6, but I'm worried that this thing gets a bit lax if I fill it up to capacity. So I just put 5 in there. Okay, and that's how you load up the Stinger. And the advantage of the Stinger is that you can order these quick loaders with it. So the quick loader looks like that, right? And so if it was empty, you shot out all your bolts, you can open it up, take the quick loader, put it in like that, hold the bolts down, and then strip that off. So I don't know if it can cause damage to the fletching, because the fletching gets deformed when you pull that thing out. So I don't know if it can actually cause any damage to the bolts. But so that's the quick load system. And you would need to have this thing open while you're doing this, put it in, so you can't cock or shoot while you're doing this whole thing, right, with the quick loader. And the quick loader does not come standard with the system. It's something you have to order extra. Okay, so that's the quick loader. And with this, you don't have a quick loader, but you can modify it. You've got this horn in the front that you can see I've put some cable management tabs on for the bolts. So let's say I'm empty, right? I've emptied out all my shots. It's as simple as taking 2 off the front and loading them in. Now at any point I can drop this and cock and shoot. There's nothing, I don't have to close the lid or anything like that. And you're going to have one in there anyway, because this system takes 7 bolts, you shoot 6, and your last one stays in there. So before I load these 2, there would already be one in the chamber. So I'm ready to go, ready to shoot. Take 2 off, load them on top of my last one, and I'm ready to go. And if I don't necessarily need it right away, I can keep loading up. And you can also take your bolts out of your target as you go and put them back in. So at any point I can drop it, cock it and shoot. So I don't necessarily know if it'll be quicker. It's probably quicker to load a whole stack in here, 5 bolts. The quick loader takes 5 bolts. Or whether, it's up to you, the user, right? What use case you require it for. So yeah, that's the difference. I mean, one has a quick loader you can buy extra, or you can also put them in one by one. And then you have this system where you always have to put them in one by one. So yeah, I will do like comparison at some point to see how much faster it is with a quick loader versus the system that I've got on the other one. Yeah, I think that's all I needed to say about this. I just wanted to show the comparison between the loading. Thanks for watching.